Mohawk Finishing Products is the world's leading manufacturer and distributor of professional wood touch-up, repair, and finishing products. In an industry that is rapidly changing, we strive to remain at the forefront of both quality and service. We offer unmatched training and educational workshops, an exceptional customer service team, and extensive and evolving product line. Today we're going to talk about the Mohawk Ultramark Marker. This product contains light, fast pigments which seal, stain, and finish. They are ideal for edge and scratch recoloring and are compatible with all types of finishes. These can be used in conjunction with Mohawk Fil-Stik putty sticks. If you want further protection, you can spray over these with tone finish clears as well as other lacquers, acrylics, varnishes, and urethanes. This product comes in hundreds of stain and opaque colors. I'm going to quickly do a demo and show you how to use the Ultramarker. This is a valve marker, which means you have to shake this marker. You can hear the ball rattling inside, so just like a paint can or something else, you want to make sure this marker is sufficiently agitated. Once agitated, sometimes pressure can build up into this cylinder. What we want is to depress the nib in an upright position to release any gas pressure that might be there. That way, if we go to use the marker and we depress it, it doesn't go all over the piece. We've already expelled the gas. Now what we need to do is charge the marker. Charging the marker is as simple as depressing the nib to allow the fluid to run down onto the nib. As you can see, it's transferring to that card, so I know I now have material all the way through this nib. This product is very easy to use. You just draw a line over the defect using kind of light to medium pressure. I'm going to color that scratch. I'm going to use my finger to kind of break it up a little bit. I have a little bit extra I need to do right there. You can simply go right back over that repair and recolor it. So something as simple as easy as that. As you can see, making repairs with Mohawk Finishing Products is an easy and cost-effective way to keep your case goods looking new. For more information on this product demo today, please visit mohawkfinishing.com.